It was a lovely day at the island of Sordor. They were constructing a new castle. Henry was collecting some materials from Tidman's shed. They coupled him up and off he went. Meanwhile, Edward had broken down in the middle of the main line. His driver and firemen were trying to fix him. Then Edward heard Edward's whistle. Henry's whistle. "Oh no! I need help!" he said to his driver. "Don't worry, we won't crash," said his fireman. Henry didn't notice Edward. Until then, it was too late. Fortunately, there was a little siding in for a runaway train. The man in the they changed the point. They changed the points quickly at the way they needed to go. Edward didn't notice, so he closed his eyes. The trucks pushed Henry. On, faster, faster, they yelled. And then Henry became almost off the rail. Edward and Henry were very surprised that they came in one piece. Fortunately, nobody was hurt. Just some paint was damaged, and some trucks were just a bit broken. Oh, phew! I didn't derail. But Henry, your train. Edward, at least everyone is okay. Well, yeah, all right about that.